For problem 3, we are asked to find both the area and the perimeter of this triangle. And so the first thing that I like to do is find the perimeter, but we need to be very careful with triangles because sometimes they include the height so that you are able to find the area, but the height is not part of the fence. The perimeter, remember, is just the outside, the fence part. And so only those pieces in blue are we going to add together to find the perimeter. And so I'm going to look for like terms, and I'm going to go in order of highest exponent to lowest. So I notice I have a 4x to the third, but no other x to the thirds. So 4x to the third comes first. And then I'm going to cross them off as I go, so I know that I used it. Then I have a bunch of x's. So I have 3x plus 3x is 6x, plus another 10 is 16. So those all add up to a positive 16x. And then minus 2 minus 7 is minus 9. Minus another 9 is minus 18. And you could do all that in your calculator as well. And so we've added up all of the terms. You can see all the ones on the outside I've crossed out. I did not use the one on the inside. This is my perimeter. Now for area, we want to use the area formula for a triangle, which is 1/2 of the base times the height. Or sometimes people write it as base height, so BH over 2. That's fine as well. And so we are going to identify our base and our height. So this is our height, and this is our base. So those are the only two that I'm going to use. I'm not going to use those two because those are not the base or the height. So my area is 1/2. My base is 3x minus 7. And my height is 8x plus 5. So I'm going to start by distributing these two polynomials to each other, and then at the very end I'll multiply everything by 1/2 or divide everything by 2. So I'm going to leave this 1/2 out front, and then I have 3x times 8x to give me 24x squared. 3x times 5 is a positive 15x. Minus 7 times 8x is minus 56x. And minus 7 times 5 is minus 35. So I can combine like terms before I multiply by 1/2. Positive 15 minus 56x is minus 41x. And then don't forget to multiply by 1/2 because this is a triangle. So we need to divide all of these by 2, or distribute and multiply by 1/2. So 24 divided by 2 is 12. 41 divided by 2 is minus 20.5. And 35 divided by 2 is minus 17.5. So here is our area.